Right, so this is the ITI ramp for aluminum beds, which mine is a steel bed, but it has a curved lip, so I got the curved ramp. Okay, and so in comparison, that's how big they are. Okay, they're not that big, just to be honest, but they do have that perfect. Hey, lady, can I just make this video? Is that okay? But yeah, they have that perfect lip, and then the steel beds ones, they have a square lip, or you know, for the all the newer beds. Even if it's like an aluminum bed, a newer aluminum, then you can use these, they say. But here's what's cool. What's that say? That's one of the coolest things about it right there. You guys, I'm going to leave a description in the link in the description. Excuse me, for these. They're so affordable compared to anybody else. They were like that sells these. ITI sells them for cheaper than everybody else. So, boom, there they are. Excuse me, lady. Excuse me, crazy girl. But yeah, I'm going to take these as soon as I get a chance to get a lowered car. I'm going to use them and we'll get it loaded up. But yeah, you guys smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.